Hello guys, this is Uriel again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, this will be the best time for you to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime there's an upfront coming from me. So today I'll be teaching you how to use the Canvas app. Of course, before you become a professional using the Canvas app, you need to put your mind to it. Once you put your mind to doing anything, you can achieve it. I believe that. So let's move into the main aim. Here I'll be opening my Canvas app. Okay, you might need your data on my iPhone. Yes, I need to turn on my data, but on my Android phone you might not really need this once you finish installing it. I don't know how it works on your phone anyways. So this is the page. Just going through it, you have your home page, you have your designs here, you have your Canvas Pro, and you have your menu. Canvas Pro, of course, is when you subscribe. Designs are for the works you've done. Then the home page will show you formats of different, or rather templates. So I typed on Facebook post and then I searched. There's a search button up here. If you look at the upside of the video after my battery, you can see it where you see different display. So I clicked on a particular image. If you click on a particular image and you want to edit it, good and fine, go ahead and edit it. But if you're not editing, you can delete all the whole icon. I was thinking of using background, but you know, most times when designing, your mind could change. You could decide to do anything. Now let me take you through this. Here we have the templates. Here we have different types of already made designs for you to just edit. Here is the elements, different shapes, animals, objects that you could use for your design. Here you can find almost any element at all, maybe concerning livestock or concerning whatsoever, just an element you can add to your design. Next we have the camera roll, which connects you to your gallery, anything you want to look for, maybe an image or a video. Next we have the uploads, that's the previous things I've uploaded on Canvas, maybe something I've used to edit, you find it here. Then next we have the text, which shows you different design, different font style that you could use for your design, of course. And lastly we have more. It brings you to more options that you can use for your design, mostly for people who subscribe. That's the pro version. So let's just look for a shape that we will use in starting our design. You mustn't really use a shape. For me, I'm just doing a demo design. So the design might not be fine, but next I'm going to introduce you to the icons below here. This plus sign will take you to where I just left just now, where you can get the object. This is the delete icon to delete any object at all, and this is the duplicating icon to duplicate maybe a text or an object at all. This is the color icon to change the color of your objects or change the color of anything at all. Here is the animate if you want to animate anything, and of course we have other options that I might not really talk about. So editing our is it a Facebook post or I think it's a YouTube cover page or something. You can see when I spoke about colors, we have different range of colors. That's the pink. There are different types of pink. We have purple. We have whatsoever color you might think of. Once you click on that color bar, it will bring lots of colors for you, and it will even bring selective colors that you can probably choose or edit your own colors. Depends on what you want. Here we can decide to choose another shape just to be able to create something out of the empty page we have, and that's what we are going to do. So here you could choose even 100 colors if you want. I'm just trying to work with 2 colors so that the design will not be too complicated. Make sure when you are doing your design you think about what to do next. You try to be a little bit creative because that is what you will need. And make sure you have an image that you've removed the background. You could check online, remove background of picture, free online. So now let's go and look for our picture that will remove the background already, because we'll be needing that for this. I've used a picture already, so I'm going to go to my uploads. If you've not, you can just go to your camera roll. I removed plenty backgrounds already on plenty other pictures. So here I'm just going to crop it, and then we're going to make the image big so we could upload or paste the image at any side of our choice. So I'll be pasting it at holding my phone. I think it's at the right hand side, but whether at the right or the left, just paste the picture somewhere. It depends on how attractive either side you're posting it looks to you. Remember I said if you're designing like a pro, you would need creativity. Use your brain. Clicking on text now, we're going to add a heading up here. So once you know what you want to write, or anyhow you want to write it, maybe on cap log or initial cap or small letters, anyhow you want it. As the time I was doing this video, I was thinking of what to even talk about in the design. I don't really want to make the design very rigid, and I don't want to waste so much time on it. So I think, okay, I'm not thinking. I wrote 1 week with Uriel. still contemplating on size of text to use, still contemplating on whether to use uppercase or the lowercase. Also, in other options, we have font size, we have font style. That's how you want your writing to look like, the size you want your writing to be. Of course, if I'm editing this, you get to see what I'm talking about. Meanwhile, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I'll advise you to subscribe to this channel if you want to know anything about health, wellness, and beauty. Mostly on Friday, we talk about businesses. So we have the Business Talk Fridays where we talk about businesses. So if you want to know how to improve your business, subscribe to this channel. I'll advise. While I'm busy inserting shapes, changing colors, changing shapes, trying to design this flyer or this cover page or whatsoever it may be, I just want to let you know that anything you put your mind into doing, you can do it. Talking about my channel, if you subscribe every Fridays, you'll be getting updates on how you could improve your entrepreneur career, on how you could improve your business. Whatsoever business you are doing, you need to bring it online. So just watch me as I go through designing this canvas page. Even if it's a shoe business you are doing, whatsoever it is you are selling, you might need to design this instead of paying designers to do this for you. Since you are a small scale business and you are the CEO, also the accounting officer, also the marketing manager, you are everything in your firm right now. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Still on choosing shapes and making sure our design looks like something presentable. Of course, you don't want it to look scary kind of, because sometimes I see some designs that people do online on canvas. Before I forget, I wanted telling you guys that most times when you go online, maybe Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere, and you see a very loving design, like the design is attractive to you, you could make a screenshot and then try to do something better than what the person did. It is a copyright. Do not do exactly what the person did. That's why you are also a designer. Okay, you are a mini designer. Just make sure you do something beautiful, something creative, something even better. That is what you aim at. Something better than the design you are trying to copyright. This is just the tip. If you know you cannot start thinking and stressing your head on colors to use, this is what you could do. If you know you are not that creative and still you want to use the Canvas app, this is also what you could do. Still on still, design is about trying and trying again, imputing colors, separating colors, removing colors, trying out other colors, reducing font size, reducing font style, or changing font style. When I mean font style, I mean like the change of writing. Then when I mean font size, I mean the size of the writing. So you can see nobody's perfect. I'm still trying to, most times when you do design, take your phone away from your face, try to look at it. Or if you have somebody close to you that knows what is good, though, not just somebody that doesn't know anything, ask the person, do you think these colors are cool? Sometimes they might give wrong opinion, but then two heads are better than one. But sometimes when you are calm, I mostly design my cover pages, even if yet I've not done a video or I'm not advertising yet, I mostly do cover videos, or rather cover pages or my flyers or designs when I am very calm. Most times when I am very happy, it contributes to my productivity. Another tip, while you are designing this, don't rush, take your time. It might look hard, but it's not. It's an app designed for you. It's something you can manipulate. It's something you can work on. So just enjoy the ride. Once you love what you are doing, you're going to do great at it. Very, very great at it. So talking about the colors, I'm just using few colors because I said earlier that I don't want it to be complicated. I want you to understand every single thing I'm doing here. You can add more shapes to yours. You can add more colors to yours as well, except in a case where you are trying to print out the design you're designing. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Yes, you can make designs from canvas and then print them out, but that is not the major or basic challenge we have today. We're just trying to do a simple design that you could use for maybe your sales page, that you could use as a cover page on Facebook, that you could use as a thumbnail for your YouTube channel, or however this video can be profitable to you. I always say it at the middle of my video, beginning or end, try to subscribe to this channel. I know why I'm saying what I'm saying. It will improve you and it will improve me too. And also like this video. The moment you like this video, it will get to more entrepreneurs. If you're getting this knowledge for free, I don't see a reason why other people should not get this for free. So do me a favor by liking this video. So if we finish this design successfully, at the end of the video or at the end of this design, you can save it if you want. You might try to do this, but in my tutorial video, in my tutorial class, I'm going to give assignments on this. But since you are not there and you're watching this video, good, you could still find something to do just to make sure at least you know how to navigate. At the end of this, I'm going to be sharing some designs I've made previously when I was calm, when I was okay. Sometimes I make designs, I do upload them. Sometimes I go ahead and I edit them. Sometimes I just try to check my creativity level by just making designs, you know, and just dumping them in my photo gallery. Sometimes I delete them from my photo gallery, but it's saved on canvas. You know, just keep trying and you get better by the day. So if you look at my design, it's detailed already, saying 1 week with UL, and I'm about imputing $50. $50 if you want to hear me speak for 1 week, or if you want to hear me talk for 1 week, for example. So no hidden charges. I'm not using I'm using a subheading now, so that's why the writing is small, but doesn't matter. You could change the font style, like I said, and change the font size. I remember mentioning something like showing you guys my design. If you click down here on design, you can get to see the previous designs I've made, the previous reviews I've made, or what I've tried to do with canvas. Some of them look like already made designs. Of course, some of them I just edited 1 or 2 things. Maybe I was really quick and I wanted to upload something. Some of them I took my time. On a blank page, I designed from beginning to the very end. I told you I always do these designs when I'm calm and when I'm happy. It contributes, my happiness contributes to my productivity, of course. So I have this very beautiful design I did. It took me time though. I'm trying to look for it, sorry. Okay, it's loading. Okay, this is it. Looks beautiful. Already I removed the background of the pictures, uploaded this, used my shapes. I think I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 colors. Yeah, and it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. Even if you don't tell me, it looks beautiful. Thanks for always staying tuned to my channel, and thanks for checking up here. Don't forget to subscribe for the Business Talk Fridays. See you in my next video.